Hello, this is Algebra 1, topic 4-4 on multiplying polynomials. Now in our last lesson we multiplied monomials and we talked about how it's like being stamped out and you can multiply exponents. However, multiplying polynomials is a little bit more difficult. First, let's go ahead and have a look at what this looks like with tiles. Here, this is x, 1 and 1, so that means that it is x plus 2. Here, this is x, 1 and 1, which means that is also x plus 2. And so this is a way to graphically represent x plus 2 times x plus 2. Let's see what we get. Well, when we multiply these out, I like to go ahead and do little dashed lines. And the dashed lines fill in exactly what we need to do. Here, we have a big box. Because x times x makes x squared. Here we've got a long skinny box. Because x times 1 make x. And here we've got another long skinny box. Because x times 1 make x. Now down this row, x times 1 makes x. X times 1 make x. And 1 times 1 makes 1. And so what we get is we have 1x squared plus 1, 2, 3, 4 x's plus 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And so that's our product. All right, let's try this again on our second one. Again, I like to do my dotted lines. You can even do the dotted lines on the end if they help you. Here we have a big box, another big box, a skinny box, another skinny box, a long box, another long box, and 2 small boxes. Well, notice that while these may be x's, these are -1. So this would be 2 x's minus 2 times 1x minus 1. Those are our factors. What that gives us is we have 2 x squareds. However, when we take shaded times a normal, we get shaded. So that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 negative x's, so minus 4x. And a negative times a negative makes a positive, so these are not shaded. These are still positive ones. So this would be plus 2. Now, this is just one way to graphically represent this. You probably will have a question or two on the STAR test pop up like this. However, the graphic falls flat when you're dealing with either large numbers or decimals and fractions. So this is handy if you don't understand how to multiply here shortly, then you can use this method. However, for number 1, I'm going to show you a method that we're going to be using both for multiplying polynomials and later for factoring. It's called the box method. And so we do that by drawing a big box, and we label our factors on the side. So the 2x minus 3, that'll go on top. X plus 1 goes on along the side. And now we multiply. And here we're just multiplying monomials. 2x times x makes 2x squared. Negative 3 times x makes negative 3x. 2x times 1 makes 2x. And 1 times negative 3 makes negative 3. This gives us 2x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. Just writing them all out. And here, I have like terms, so when I combine them, negative 3 plus 2 make a negative x. So my answer is 2x squared minus x minus 3. And this is the box method. Box method also works when we are squaring a polynomial. 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. Well, 3x times 3x makes 9x squared. 3x times negative 4 making negative 12x. The same thing over here. And negative 4 times negative 4 make a positive 16. We list those out. 9x squared minus 12x minus 12x plus 16. Again, I have some similar terms, which gives me 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. Now, what I've been doing is I've been writing them all out. You may actually take a shortcut, circling like terms and combining them as you write them out. I'll go ahead and show you that process on number 3. Actually, I'll wait and show you that process on number 4 because I want to show you something special about number 3. Number 3, we have x minus 7 and x plus 7. Now, if you took this as plus and this as minus, you would still get the same answer. But I always like to put the first one on top. So x times x makes x squared. X times negative 7 make negative 7x. X times a positive 7 make a positive 7x. And 7 times 7 is 49, but negative makes it negative 49. X squared minus 7x plus 7x minus 49. We have some like terms. Negative 7 plus 7, they actually cancel each other out, leaving us x squared minus 49. And again, you could have actually looked up here, and it's 7 minus 7 is 0. And so there would be no middle term. Now, number 4, we have a 2 by 3. So I'm going to go 2 by 3. 2x plus 3. 3x plus 2x minus 5. Works the same way. 2x times 3x makes 6x squared. 2x times 2x make, sorry, forgot the squared there, that turns that into a 3. 2x times 2x make 4x squared. 2x times negative 5 make negative 10x. 3x times 3 make 9x squared because of that squared right there. 2x and 3 make 6x. Negative 5 and 3 make 15. Negative. So if we write it all out, 6x cubed plus 9x squared plus 4x squared plus 6x minus 10x minus 15. And then combine our similar terms. We'll get 6x cubed plus 13x squared minus 4x minus 15. Now notice, again, I could have went ahead and took a shortcut here. 9 and 4 make 13. 6 minus 10 makes negative 4. And we have similar terms. So you don't have to write this whole thing out if you can go ahead and make your similar terms over here. And for our last example, a big whomping 3 by 3. So we have 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, and 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. 5 times 2 make 10, x squared and x squared make x to the 4th. x squared, 5 times negative 4 make negative 20. X squared and x make x to the third. 5 and 5 make 25, and we have x squared. Negative 3 and 2 make negative 6. Squared and 1 make to the third. Negative 3 and negative 4 make a positive 12. X and x make x squared. Negative 3 and 5 make negative 15. I only got one x. 2 and 2 make 4. The x squared drops down. Negative 4 and 2 make negative 8. X drops down. 5 and 2 make 10. Now notice, these two will combine. These 3 will combine. And these 2 will combine. You will always have these diagonals going this way of similar terms. So if we go ahead and combine that, we'll 10x to the fourth. And then we have negative 20x cubed minus 6x cubed make negative 26x cubed. 25 and 12 make 37. And 4 make 41. So plus 41 x squared. And negative 15 and negative 8. Those make a negative 23 x. And then just this final plus 10. So if you'll notice, things get a little bit longer. This one actually has 5 terms. So hopefully the box method makes sense to you by now. If not, you'll get plenty of time to practice it on your assignment. Good luck on that assignment and have a good day.